how to change your location on the Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the location on your Shein app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Shein app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of your screen to access your settings. And now, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as location. Now here in this section, you'll see a list of countries appearing. So just select the country that you want to switch by tapping on it. And that's it. Now your Shein location is now updated and the app will also automatically adjust the language and currency based on your selected country. Now you can simply head back to the home page and continue shopping with your new settings. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.